I am the business consulting lead for SystemPartners in New South Wales. My role is a number of different facets. So I am responsible for pre-sales from a technical perspective, for designing and assisting our account execs and our principal consultants for designing the actual solution that we're proposing back to our clients. I'm involved in assessing the actual resource matrix and makeup of the organisation for a particular project, so determining the type of skills and resources we need for a particular project, how often and how much time we need from those resources across the project, and determining what the actual project life cycle will look like for a particular implementation. I'm also involved in actual implementation as well, so I will be on site directing our team, which could be Salesforce developers, both front end and back end, and also Salesforce and senior Salesforce consultants in actually implementing the proposed solution for our particular client, and also assisting in the strategic direction and road mapping of Salesforce for our particular clients as well. So whilst we might actually be focused on a particular implementation, also looking for opportunities to expand the use of Salesforce strategically within a particular client site. I chose the role because I wanted to be involved in an organisation where I could assist and direct some of the structures in terms of consulting. So I have over 8 to 9 years experience in Salesforce alone, but I have about 10 to 12 years of business analysis and consulting skills. So I wanted to come to an organisation where I had the ability to influence the actual direction and the structure of how we consult. So effectively our product that we're offering out into our markets and to our clients. I wanted to be a key member of designing that product offering back to our clients. Our team culture is very important to us. We're very focused on ensuring that we have the right type of personnel and the right type of consultants on board. As you can imagine, with a business like ours, we're very focused on the presentation that they have and their presentation skills back to clients as well. That's our product at the end of the day. So they need to be very strong in presentation, and they also need to meet with our company and cultural values as well. So the ability to listen to customers, the ability not to talk over them in sessions, the ability to understand their business as well. So whilst we're a technology implementation partner, we're really a business consulting partner. So we really need to know and understand a client's business before we start implementing and suggesting particular solutions for a customer. So it's very key for us to maintain our culture in the organisation and bring those type of people into our organisation and have them consult and to also learn from key stakeholders within the business as well. So taking getting an understanding of the type of ways that we engage with our clients and then reusing that on future engagements as well. I'm currently in the FinServe business. I'm working on the Suncorp Intermediaries project. So we're currently implementing a CRM solution for the intermediated business. The brand name is known as Vero externally, and they are effectively an arm of Suncorp Insurance that does business insurance. So I am the business consulting lead in that project. I have a senior Salesforce consultant in George Lee who works with me. He's very focused on business process and also Salesforce components and structure. We also have a senior Salesforce developer, Chittaranjan Das, and he's very much responsible for our technical implementation of the solution, from development of custom code to management of our Salesforce environments, and also deployment of our various configuration and code into dev and production sandboxes. I've been involved in a lot of different industries. I would say my most experienced industry, or the one I've worked on most with SystemPartners, is probably in the government space. One of the biggest ones that I have done from a government perspective is the Service New South Wales engagement, where we rolled out a product called My Service, which is effectively taking disparate government transactions from different government clusters and different government organisations and bringing it into one single platform so that citizens of New South Wales could come to one place to do all their transactions in relation to state government interactions. So we were responsible for building out the first transactions related to registering a vehicle in New South Wales, changing your address, but also registering for a Service New South Wales account known as My Service as well. That was a huge project that we were involved in, both customer facing and technical, and there was a lot of componentry of Salesforce that we used that really evolved the use of Salesforce into something quite different to what it had been used for before. It's such a huge project and such an important platform that's for Service New South Wales that they're running about 40 to 50,000 transactions through it a week at this stage. So it's a large application and very publicly focused application as well.